Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video showing you the formulas and graphs and some other things in Google Sheets. So for a formula, you click a cell, type equals, that starts you out, and then you can select your data by clicking on it. So for the weight difference, I'm going to click weight before, minus, click on weight after, and just hit enter to get that math done for me. And I'm going to hover over this little square, click on it, and drag it down. That's going to fill in the formula for me automatically for the rest of the rows. In class earlier, I messed up the percent change formula. It should be final minus initial divided by initial instead of divided by final. That's why you were getting weird percent weight loss numbers. So we'll do the correct one here. We already did final minus initial, so I'll click on that there, the weight lost, divided by the initial weight. And since it's a percent, we want to multiply by 100. To multiply, you need this little asterisk. So you click Control or Command 8 to get a multiplication symbol, and then do your multiplication by 100. Yeah, 50% weight loss since 120 is half of 240 pounds is the correct thing. So I'm going to drag that down as well. If you guys wanted to format your data better, you go to Format Number. Ooh, and you can pick percent. Nope, you don't want to do that. Let's do a number with 2 decimal places. There, now it looks how I want it. Awesome. Just a couple of fancy things as well. There's automatic formulas in Google Sheets like average. So if I type average and select some data, I can get an automatic average. If I want to get a sum, add them all up. Type sum, select my data, and there I have the sum of that column. So just some fun things that can help you get a little bit faster with math in Google Sheets. Oh, and then to do a graph, you just select your data. To select data that's not consecutive, you just select your first column, hold down Control or Command, and select your second column. And then you can insert your chart and make it any kind you want. All kinds of options in here. Lots of ways to customize your graph, so you can play around with that.